Hey, what's up guys? This is Team Hard Life Captain Alberto Zertuche, and I'm here again at the shop. We finally got some Avets in. Oh man, it's been not on Avet. This has actually been on FedEx. We shipped out, or Avet shipped out reels almost 2 weeks ago, and they were lost in limbo for about a week at a station in I'm so kind of still upset. It was Anaheim or something like that, where they were there for a week. They were scanning the box and just leaving it there. They weren't even moving it. They weren't doing anything with it. So all my customers that were expecting them last week could not get their reels because of a failed delivery. So yesterday, I ended up having to leave for a family emergency, and we didn't have nobody here at the shop, so we missed the delivery yesterday. So we finally got them in today. Let's check this out.
Gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I got a line. I'ma call the whole team.
Kind of eager to check this out because the boxes look a little beat up and stuff like that, but we're gonna get it on film, see what happens. All right. A little beat up. I don't think they could have gotten anything out of there. Got an SX Raptor right here. Alright guys, I'm telling you, I don't care how many times I hear the clicker go off. I love it, love it, love it. This is a red Avet right there. Yes, sir. Look at that. That one's pretty. That one's real pretty. Oh, yeah. Tell you what, this little box seems heavier than the big box. Heavier. Telling you, I've got bad English and worse English. Oh, look at that gunman. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, buddy, that's real pretty. Got some LX Raptors in the house, SX Raptors. What else we got here? Peanuts are annoying sometimes. They do their job, but at the same time they overly do it. been a while since we've gotten in a large group of Avets. So today, we actually get a little bonus. We have 2 boxes that came in at the same time. So, one down, one to go. This one looks like the one that was there for a minute. I see no other openings, so I think we are good. Where I wear boots, guys. Enough for me to work around. Alright, what do we got here? Got another LX Raptor. Little gunmetal LX right here. Moving in and moving in for sure. And what I tried to do from our last order was when I first placed the other order, I only ordered a few of the colors, and that's because it was funding. Funding was an issue at the time. Well, it's always an issue. It's a lot of money that we spend on these Avets to get them in. But at the same time, I was being real cautious at buying colors that would sit on my shelf. So what I was basically going off of was people's request on what they wanted to see if I had it in stock or anything like that. If I didn't have it, then it was kind of an idea for me to get that color in. Got quite an assortment of LXs right there. Got a few SX along with the other colors we already have in stock. Be right with you. We definitely got some reels in house. As y'all can see, that's quite a bit of reels we got in.